Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see behind me, we've finally taken delivery of the Slab Flattener, and it is set up, ready to rock and roll. We are going to be flattening some slabs, getting some footage of that for you guys, as well as talking about some of the features that this flattener offers. So very excited to get to rocking and rolling with this thing. It is it's a beast. Let's take a look. This machine features a 5 horsepower 3-phase motor. This powers both the helical head cutter as well as the drum sander attachment. The planer attachment features 81 cutter heads that each can be rotated 3 additional times, so we can get 4 total uses out of each tooth, which is very nice if we hit metal, rocks, or something like that, and they just are dull from use and we need to rotate them out. So this is a very nice feature for maintaining the cutter heads. The drum sander attachment is also 12 inches and currently has 120 grit sandpaper on it. The way that the drum sander works is that it's always spinning the same time that the cutter head is spinning, but we'll use this handle to lower the drum sander, and this will lower it just below the cutter head's plane. That way the drum sander is touching the wood before the cutters are. This is how we initiate the drum sanding mode. The 2 laser guides allow us to move over and leave just a little bit of overlap between the first and second pass. Here I'm using a shop pencil to mark some lines to help visualize what is left to sand. When the lines are gone, that area is done sanding.
See this through. Sparks at night, thunder.
As we can see from these photos, the slab started out very rough and flattened out very nicely. There's no space in between these at all. Take a look at this close up. Alright guys, we're going to call it an episode there. Thanks for hanging out with us and checking out the slab flattener that we just got. It is a lot of fun to run, and I'm hoping to bring you guys some more footage and then possibly even some live streams. You talking about it and flattening some more slabs. We hope to really put this thing through its paces and bring you guys some awesome content. So hit that like button if you haven't. Consider subscribing, and we will see you guys on the next one.